Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to get notifications on the Nationwide app. Start by unlocking your phone and opening the Nationwide mobile banking app. Once the app is open, log in using your usual details. After you are logged in, you will see the main dashboard where your accounts are displayed. Now look for the profile icon or profile settings option and tap on that. This area allows you to control how the app communicates with you. Scroll through the menu until you find the option called Communication Settings. Tap on it to continue. Inside this section, you will see different types of alerts and messages you can manage. Next, tap on Balance Alerts. This is where you can control notifications related to your account balance. You will now see a list of optional alerts. These may include alerts for when your balance goes below a certain amount or when money is added to your account. Go through the list and select the alerts you want to turn on. Make sure to review each option carefully so you only enable the notifications that are useful to you. After setting up alerts in the app, you also need to check your device settings. Open your phone or tablet settings, then go to Notifications. Find the Nationwide app in the list and make sure notifications are allowed. Without this step, alerts may not appear on your device. Thanks for watching.